Hi there, my name is Alvaro Ayala, and today I'm really delighted to be here because today I want to share to you this application that I often use in order to improve my English skill. I'm talking about improve my speaking and my listening as well. So let me show you the application that I that I use. This application is called, remember, look the logo, is this real life real life. And this application has different kinds of choice, but what is really interesting and the what I more use in this application is speak with other people abroad. I can to meet people around the world, and that is what I like to do when I use this application. But you can to get it in this application different kinds of lessons. Is you choose one of them, for example this, you are going to see, you know you are going to listen the podcast, but at the same time I'm going to i'm going to I'm going to start with my speaking, and I want that you listen the podcast, okay?
Welcome to the Real Life English Podcast, where we help dedicated English learners just like you cultivate the courage, the confidence, and the skills that you need to understand real life native English, to communicate clearly with people from all around the world, and to make your life an epic global adventure. Now, are you ready to go beyond the classroom and start living your English? Can I get an aw, yeah? Oh yeah, boys and girls, citizens of the world, this is Chabu from Real Life English, where we believe that listening to podcasts is a fun, natural, convenient, and
stupendous
way to learn English.
Yes, my friend. As you can see, and the way the people, they are native speaker, and they are really great teaching us English. But what is really interesting about these people is the podcast, different topics that they upload in this application. So every single week you had the choice to listen one difference every single time that you want. So I like to use that application to listen them, but at the same time, something that I like to do is this thing. I like to speed. I like to use these buttons. This button is speed, and then what I try to do is I try to find a partner. So this application allowed me to find a partner abroad, and I can to meet that people. I can to speak with their, share different kinds of thoughts, and maybe if you want to meet people abroad, you can to do the same thing. But what I do is I try to use this application to practice my speaking and my listening. So I'm going to find a partner in this moment. I'm not sure is this application in this moment I'm going to be able to use it, because I'm using the microphone in this moment. So maybe it's going to be interesting. Let me see. Pajo, can you hear me? Okay, nice to meet you, man. You are from India, right? Interesting. Tell me a little bit about yourself, please. Interesting. Interesting, man. Actually, the most of the people who I speak in this application, and they are from India, and the most of you, you are students, engineer, or software, something like that. It's really interesting. What is your opinion about What is your opinion about intelligence artificial intelligence? What do you think about it? I don't know because I noticed that in the last time that is a main topic. I yesterday I was watching different videos on YouTube, and the most of them they focus about the problems in the future, about for the society, for the people, because the lot of jobs in the future. Yeah, yes, I got it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Okay. No, no, go ahead. Mm, no, no. I'm 40 years old. Actually, I've been, working with my English skill during the last time. That is something that I invested a lot of time. I do a lot of things, but right now I'm focused about growing up in my own English learning journeys. So that is what I've been doing during the last time. I believe that the time is over. So thank you so much for your time. I, I just say goodbye and take care, man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You notice I was talking with that person from India. It was a really interesting question. I was asking him about intelligent artificial, and I believe that that is something that it could be to change the world. But that is other topics. Right now I want to focus about, if you are a parent of family, if you are worried about the education of your kids, let me tell you, this video is going to be really useful for them, because that is the way how a kids can to practice their ability. Remember, if you want that your kids become an fluent speaker in the future, the only thing that they need to do, of the focus of them, will be focusing on speaking and in listening. If they focus on listening and speaking, they are going to get fluency as faster. Because that is all for today. I'm going to say thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to be with you, and I hope to see you later. Bye bye.